So hi guys, I totally forgot to do the intro. Yeah, the intro that I said I was going to do to kind of show you guys what they sent to me inside the box. So here it is. So the wig obviously came inside the box. They sent me this little head tie. Oh, I could have put it on my head, but you know. Yeah, so they sent me this little hair tie. They sent me this little, I think this is to go on the back of your phone, some accessories. Oh, a little cute little bag. Some earrings, a comb, some press-ons, and some lashes. 2 different kinds of lashes. But yeah, that's pretty much what they sent me inside the box, and also the hair care label card thingy. Yeah. But yeah, this is the wait, this is not the end of the video. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is another wig install. My friend here wants to say hi. I don't know why that came up on my forehead, like why today. But today's video is another wig install. Like I said, this video is sponsored by Luvmehair. I'm gonna be showing you guys like what products came with the wig after, like at the end of the video when I'm actually doing the outro. For now, I'm just going to be doing the installation of the wig. So I'm going to be showing you guys the wig, installing it, and then at the end of the video, I'll come back and do like a proper outro, show you guys what I got inside the box. Like, you know, something different. But this is the wig. I went ahead and I plucked it. I plucked and I bleached it a little bit more. Because, yeah, that's just me. But, yeah. Guys, you notice you can't see the lace? Like, the lace is right here. No, I think this is body wave, probably 20 inches. I think so. But yeah, let's just install this wig. And guys, look at the back of the wig. Like, this band that came with it is actually so convenient. Like, it hooks off and on, and then in the corner right here there's different like lengths. So if you can hook it here, hook it there, hook it there, hook it there. I feel like this is so much better, like, you know. And you can also, you have the option to take it out fully if you don't want to have it on at all.
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given. Oh my, I'm drowning in you crystallize.
So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the hair will be down in the description box. If you guys would like to purchase this unit, then check the links out. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know also down in the description, well, not description, but in the comment section, what you liked most about this hair. I feel like it's cute. If I would change anything about this wig, actually, I wouldn't change anything about this wig, to be honest. But maybe the style, I probably fix the bun a little bit better. But yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.